Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel with another new video. So guys, today we discuss about ecosystem of Thorchain. Thorchain ecosystem has a number of compartments that ensure that it's more decentralized and secure. Some of these functioning ecosystem components include WebSwap. WebSwap is an internet web client that deliberately restricted to Binance Smart Chain assets. This part of Thorchain ecosystem is not intended maintaining long term. Instead, it will be replaced by desktop client that will be man a portal into the Thorchain ecosystem and provides reference implementation as Gardex is capable of keeping monitors the full life cycle transaction theory by ensuring compatibility with the Thorchain having its control in hand. As Gardex uses open source package to provide majority of businessmen logic particular and community members volume exchange to Thorchain integration. Midgard, another key part of Thorchain ecosystem. Midgard is the open source of API run over the Thornode and provide RESTful API. Any client can be consume display data as well as broadcast signed transaction back to the connected chains. To connect Midgard, the client must first confirm several nodes or prevent being attacked faced since security mode of Thorchain is strictly consensus. Thornode also synchronized in making network function. Blocks Explorer can be connected to Thornode display underlying blockchain data. Thornode can either validators or light nodes of simply since in display data. Thornode service the Thorchain network. Thornode compromising of several independent serve to cluster and Thornode communicate and cooperate. Cooperation create a cross-chain swapping network. Setting up a node will require user to set manually, set through Kubernetes, set up using provider. Actor with the Thorchain ecosystem. Basically, four important actor of function different roles of Thorchain ecosystem include liquidity providers. There are liquidity provider who gets incentive with compensation determined by series of factors related to the pool's state of network. Liquidity provided within a Thorchain commit capital pools have exposures to underlying assets. This liquidity provides the gain exposure assessed with the free floating market price. Liquidity provide deposit their assets. Liquidity pools earn yield return. They earn token. Thorchain's native token run in liquidity pools connected assets. For example, someone who has deposited BTC Rune pool with receive rewards in BTC Rune token. Liquidity provider in calculated ever block and paid